Hello friends, my name is Japneet Kaur. In this video tutorial, we will be talking about some useful extensions and a shortcut for writing structure of a HTML page. So let us start with the shortcut. So the shortcut is press shift and exclamatory mark 1 and press tab key after that. You get this. This is the shortcut key for writing the starter of HTML code. And save this. Like I have used h1 tag or element, I'm gonna write heading heading 1. I just save that. The useful extension is going to be our live server. So search here as live server. Okay, I already have installed it. You will see this live server. Click this install button. It will display here and it will be installed. What is the function of this live server? Means if we are doing it on Google Chrome or any web browser, we don't need to refresh the page again and again. Open with live server. See, now I'm adding one content to it. See, I'm adding heading to h2 and here I'm going to write heading 2, and you must need to save this file. This dot means that your file is not saved. Save this file and it will appear here. But when you are not using this, when you are not using live server, save this document, and this is a without live server. Copy that and paste it over here. See, now I will write h2 heading 2. Now when we save this file, it is not here. Save this file, and after that, now this file is saved. It is not coming over here, but for that we need to refresh this page, then it is coming. So this is the difference between a live server. So we are done how to write the starter code. So let me just show you this again, how to write this. You need to put exclamatory mark and then press tab key. You will get all this. Save, and don't forget to save your documents, because without saving, the copy path or live server will not work. Thanks for watching our video. Please share, like, subscribe our channel.